Tsunami, the giant wave. Did you know? Tsunamis are giant waves that happen in the ocean. Here are some cool facts about tsunamis. Tsunamis are usually caused by things like earthquakes, underwater landslides, or volcanic eruptions. When these things happen, they can make big waves in the ocean. Tsunamis can travel super fast, sometimes as fast as a jet airplane. They can move across the ocean and reach faraway places. When a tsunami reaches land, it can cause big floods and damage buildings and homes. That's why it's important to know what to do if there's a tsunami warning. Scientists use special tools to detect tsunamis and warn people when they might happen. This helps keep people safe and prepared. Tsunamis might sound scary, but by understanding them and being prepared, we can stay safe and be ready for whatever nature throws our way.
Exploring the amazing Amazon River. The Amazon River is the biggest river in the whole world. Here are some cool facts about it. The Amazon River flows through South America. It starts in the Andes Mountains in Peru and flows all the way to the Atlantic Ocean in Brazil. The Amazon River is home to lots of different animals like pink dolphins, piranhas, and even giant anacondas. It's also surrounded by a big, lush rainforest called the Amazon rainforest. This rainforest is full of trees, plants, and animals. The Amazon River is super wide and deep. Some parts of it can be as wide as 11 kilometers. The Amazon River is a super special place full of adventure and surprises. It's like a big playground for nature to show off its amazing wonders.
The awesome pufferfish. The pufferfish is a neat sea animal, also called a blowfish. Here are some fun facts about pufferfish. Pufferfish can blow up like balloons when they're scared or feel in danger. They fill their bellies with water or air, making them look bigger than they really are. Some pufferfish have pointy skin to protect themselves from enemies. When they puff up, their spikes stick out more, making them harder to catch. Pufferfish are known for their poisonous defense. Some types of pufferfish have a toxin in their bodies that can kill predators. That's why they don't mind puffing up and showing their prickly sides. Pufferfish are fascinating creatures of the sea, and they have some pretty cool tricks up their sleeves. Or should we say, fins?
Be safe from fire. Fun facts about fire safety. Did you know? Fire can be both useful and dangerous. That's why it's important to learn about fire safety to stay safe. Here are some cool facts to help you be fire smart. 1. Fire needs 3 things to burn: heat, fuel, and oxygen. When all 3 come together, it creates flames. That's why it's important to keep things like matches and lighters away from things that can burn, like paper and clothes. 2. Smoke alarms are like superheroes. They can detect smoke and warn us if there's a fire. That's why it's important to have smoke alarms in our homes and to test them regularly to make sure they work. 3. If there's a fire, remember to stop, drop, and roll. Stop what you're doing, drop to the ground, and roll back and forth to put out the flames if they're on your clothes. 4. Have a fire escape plan. Know 2 ways out of every room in your house and have a meeting spot outside where everyone can gather. Practice your fire escape plan with your family so you know what to do if there's a fire. By learning about fire safety and being prepared, we can all stay safe from fire and enjoy our homes and communities. So, let's be fire smart and have fun while staying safe. The mystery of invisible germs. Did you know there are tiny things called germs that we can't see with our eyes, but they're everywhere around us? Let's learn more about these invisible invaders. Germs are tiny living things, like bacteria and viruses, that can make us sick if we're not careful. They can hide on surfaces like doorknobs, toys, and even our hands. But don't worry, there are simple things we can do to keep germs away and stay healthy. 1. Wash your hands with soap and water often, especially before eating and after using the bathroom. 2. Cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze and use a tissue or your elbow. 3. Keep your surroundings clean by wiping down surfaces regularly. By practicing good hygiene and staying clean, we can help keep germs at bay and stay healthy and strong. So, the next time you wash your hands or cover your mouth when you sneeze, remember that you're keeping those invisible germs away, and that's super cool.
Let's recycle. Fun facts about recycling. Recycling is like giving things a second chance to be useful. Here are some cool facts about recycling that you might not know. 1. Recycling helps save energy. When we recycle materials like paper, plastic, and glass, we use less energy to make new things. That's because recycling takes less energy than making things from scratch. 2. We can recycle lots of things. From old newspapers and soda cans to cardboard boxes and plastic bottles, there are many things we can recycle to help protect our planet. 3. Recycling reduces pollution. When we recycle, we keep trash out of landfills and prevent harmful chemicals from getting into the air and water. This helps keep our environment clean and healthy. 4. It's easy to recycle. Many communities have recycling programs where you can put your recyclables in a special bin, and they'll be collected and taken to a recycling center. 5. Recycling helps save trees. When we recycle paper, we can make new paper without cutting down more trees. This helps protect forests and the animals that live there. So the next time you finish a drink or use a piece of paper, remember to recycle it. By recycling, we can all do our part to help protect the environment and make the world a cleaner, greener place.
Sun Secrets: Exploring the Solar Eclipse. Did you know? Sometimes the moon moves between the sun and the earth, creating a special event called a solar eclipse. Let's learn more about this incredible phenomenon. During a solar eclipse, the moon covers the sun, casting a shadow on the earth. This makes it look like the sun is disappearing, leaving behind a dark circle in the sky. Solar eclipses are like amazing shows in the daytime sky. They don't happen every month, but when they do, they're worth watching. You can see the sun turn into a crescent shape as the moon moves in front of it. It's important to remember never to look directly at the sun during a solar eclipse without special glasses or filters. Looking at the sun without protection can hurt your eyes. Scientists study solar eclipses to learn more about the sun and how it affects our planet. They can also help us understand more about space and our place in the universe. So, the next time you hear about a solar eclipse happening, be sure to watch safely and enjoy the wonder of this amazing celestial event. It's like a special dance between the sun, the moon, and the Earth.